told you before, we can do subtraction by many ways. In your previous class, you have learned to subtract by counting backward. Today, you shall learn to subtract by counting forward. Now turn page number 61. Count forward to subtract. This is just reverse of counting backward. Here, you have to keep the smaller number in mind and count forward till you reach the bigger number. Here in the picture, there are 9 eggs and 6 eggs are taken away. So, how many eggs are left? Let's count forward to find the answer. 9 minus 6 equals how much? Here, which is the smaller number, children? Yes, 6 is the smaller number. So, we have to start from 6 and count forward to 9. Come on, everyone, keep 6 in the mind and count forward on your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So, we have counted 3 numbers. So, 9 minus 6 equals 3. Let's start the exercises. First 2 have done for you. You just have to trace over it. In the first sum, 8 minus 5, 5 is circled. So, count after 5, 6, 7, 8. We counted 3 numbers. So, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Trace the numbers 6, 7, 8 and write the answer 3. In the second sum, we have 7 minus 5. In this, which is the smaller number, children? Yes, 5 is smaller. So, circle it. And count forward up to 7. After 5, 6, 7. Write these numbers 6, 7 in the space given. So, we counted 2 numbers. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Trace it. Next sum is 10 minus 8. Come on, everyone. Tell me which is the smaller number here. Which one you are going to circle here? Yes, the smaller number is 8. So, circle it. And count forward after 8 is 9, 10. So, here we counted 2 numbers. So, 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Write the numbers in the place given. Now, in the same way, count the other numbers and check the answers. First, circle the smaller number and count forward and check the answers. Now, children, let's learn to subtract single-digit numbers from double-digit numbers. Children, what is single-digit number? Yes, the numbers from 0 to 9 are single digits. And numbers from 10 to 99 are double-digit numbers. Now you shall learn how to subtract a single-digit number from double-digit numbers. It is very important to write the numbers in correct place to get the correct answer. Always remember to write the bigger number first when you subtract. In this example, 14 minus 3, 14 is a double-digit number and 3 is a single-digit number. So, which is a bigger number, children? Yes, a double-digit number is always bigger than a single-digit number. So, 14 is bigger than 3. So, first we have to write 14. In 14, there is 1 10 and 4 ones. So, you have to write 1 in tens place and 4 in ones place. Next, we will write the smaller number, that is 3. Now, in which place you will keep the 3 children? Tens place or ones place? Yes, 3 is a single digit number, so we have to write 3 in ones place only. If you write 3 in the tens place, then it becomes 3 tens 30 and your answer will become wrong. So remember to write the numbers in correct place. It is important to keep the sign of subtraction when we subtract. First, we will subtract ones place and then tens place. Ones place we have 4 and 3. So 4 minus 3. Take away 3 from 4. What do we get? Yes, we get 1 ones. Write it in ones place only. Now come to tens place. Here we have only 1 10 and there is no number to subtract. So 1 minus none or 0 is 1 only. So we write 1 in tens place in the answer column or box. So 14 minus 3 is equal to 11. Now children, flip to page number 62. Subtracting single digit from double digit numbers. Look at the story sum here. Meena, bangle seller, is selling bangles. She had 15 green bangles. Lalita bought 5 of them. So when Lalita took away 5 bangles, how many bangles are left with Meena? So here 15 is a double digit number and 5 is a single digit number. In 15 there is 1 10 and 5 ones. So we are going to take away 5 bangles from 5 ones. So 5 minus 5 is 0. In the tens place we have only 1 10 and there is nothing to subtract. So 1 minus nothing or 0 is 1 only. So we got the difference 10. Now children, cross the number of bangles sold and write how many are left. In the first sum there are 13 bangles and 3 bangles were sold. So 13 minus 3 is, first subtract the ones place, 3 minus 3. Same number minus same number is 0. Then we have 1 10. So 13 minus 3 is 10. Next one, there are 17 bangles. Take away 7. So again 7 minus 7 is 0 and 110 is left. So here we are going to cross 7 bangles and 7 minus 7 0. 110 is left. So 17 minus 7 is 10. Now children, pause the video here and complete all the sums of these exercises and check your answers. Now children, while doing this, have you seen any pattern? Yes, the difference of all the sums is same, that is 10. When we take away all the ones from ones place, only 110 is left. Now children, let's move to next page. Page number 63, Anwar sells flowers. Anwar had 18 red roses and he sold 6 of them. So how many are left with him children? Now here in the picture you can see Anwar is holding one bunch of 10 flowers and another bunch of 8 flowers each. That is 1 10 and 8 ones is equal to 18. Now if he sold 6 of them, so how many are left with him? So first we are going to take away 6 from 8 ones. When we take away 6 from 8 ones, we get 2, the difference 2. You can cross out the 6 flowers in the bunch and check 2 red roses are left. So 8 minus 6 is 2. And he still also has another bunch of 110. So 110 and 2 1 is left with Anwar. So 110 and 2 ones is equal to 12. That means 18 minus 6 is 12. Now children, let's do the sums here. In the first sum, we have a bunch of 10 flowers and another bunch of 7 flowers. That is total 17 flowers. And here we are going to cross 5 flowers. First sum 17 minus 5. So take away 5 from 7. How many are left? Yes, in the ones place, when we take away 5 from 7, it is 2. We have to write 2 in the ones place. And there is another bunch of 110 flowers. So in the tens place, there is nothing to take away. So 1 minus nothing is 1 only. So we have 1, 10 and 2 ones, that is 12. So 17 minus 5 is 12. Now children, let's do the second one. There are 13 flowers, 1 bunch of 10 and 3 single flowers. Now we are going to take away 2 from it. Cross 2 flowers. So out of 3 ones, when we cross 2, how many are left? Yes, 1 flower left. So in the ones place, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. We have to write 1. And still another 110 bunch is left with us. So 110 minus nothing is 1. So here 13 minus 2 is equal to 11. Now children, try the other sums on your own and then check the answers. Remember to start from ones place. That means first you are going to subtract ones and then tens. Cross the flowers neatly and write the answers in the correct place. Children, I hope you all are getting the correct answer. Good. Let's move to next one. Now let's learn subtracting from the tens. Look into your book, page number 64. Here we have a frame of 10 and ones. In the example sum 14 minus 6, we are going to make a frame of 14 as 10 and ones. That means 14 has 1 10 and 4 ones. Children, as you have seen, 14 we have, in number 14 we have 1 10 and 4 ones. Now we are going to take away 6. So always remember we have to start from ones place. Now let's take away 6 starting from ones place. So here we are going to cross out the ones first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First we will cross the ones and then check how many are left. So after crossing 6, we have 8 numbers left. So 14 minus 6 is 8. Children, to complete all the sums in this exercise, you have to put the dots in ones and tens places and then cross out the ones first to find the answer. Let's start from the first one. Children, to solve these sums, first you have to put the dots in tens and ones for all the sums. And then start crossing the dots from ones place to find the difference. For the first sum 13 minus 7, you are